Ngamini, mambo ni mangapi? Mambo ni matatu. Mambo ni matatu. Mambo si basi. Mambo ni matatu. Na sipora usikie haya. Muigue na muigue wega. Muigure your antennas so that you can receive this information. Nito tigoikara ni andu marenda gwetua nio. Koigi uterwo. Koigi uterwo. Koigi uterwo. Kimemia on this. Ira tuguka ngwataniro guku. Ngamini akanginyira na haha na nduthi. Akarugamia uguo na gitari. To ndiri bureki. Akanjira chairman. Get on board. Get on board. Ndaikarira uguo. Instincts started singing to me. Chairman alright. Chairman don't. Chairman don't. Chairman alright. Don't. Yeah. Started debating inside my head. Nareke ngwire. Tutirathiete haraihu. Haha rũĩ-inĩ haha gĩtaũ. We became waterborne. Waterborne. Ngamini aroka atobokereirie nduthi maĩ-inĩ ũguo. Puu! Thĩiniĩ. Let me tell you. Ngiuma hau. My hair stood up like this. Like the president's bodyguard. I've never seen it. I started unleashing small bombs at the end of my alimentary canal. Small. Guoya urari mara-ini makwa ndiraigua ngini no. Wanjirage ne bureki, just a brake failure. Which brake failure are you talking about? Mambo ni matatu. Uhame, unyamaza kanisani, ama tukuhamishe tukupeleke Mogadishu. Branch of Mogadishu will accept you. Another week. Just another week gone. Agioka mushirika haha gitune mutu. Yale metu 16. Ngimetumura guo yothe. Ngitagirira irebere guku festeri. Ngiuma ngetiga ndekira fingerprints. Let me enlighten you. As a security guard, he maundu fundithagio megie forensic, which is a deeper topic that we'll be able to discuss later as we continue. Waigira kiaro uguo nigetha mundu wothe ungiuka gutahia mutu no hote gwika atia. You do your research and get to know who did that. I came following day ngakora twara twiri. On this case, I was able to identify nikara kamwe ga kamwenji akakange kau ka Ngamini matahetie metu uguo magataha mutu kilo 2. And you thought I could not tell it's you. You are the one. Thieves. Mwalimu tia kongethi ugorangethi ukogeithanie. Come and say hi to these people. Ngamini emulate the ways of serious people in this church. Emulate the seriousness in your chairman. Think how we will live with you here.